Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove or how to safely eject this T9 portable SSD from this device. So here you can see this portable T9 SSD is connected to this device. You can see the name here, Samsung T9. If you tap on this one, you can see all the files on this SSD. So let me show you how to safely eject this SSD from this device. If you tap on hold on this name, you can see there is only these two options. Three options. You can change the name, you can erase all the data from this SSD, and you can get the information. If you tap on this one, you can see all the informations. Okay, so there is no option to eject this SSD. If you go to the open this SSD, if you tap on the three dots here also, you will not get any option to safely eject this SSD. So let me show you how to safely eject. Just close all the applications and just remove this cable from your phone. That's it. Simply. So simply in this way we can eject this Samsung T9 portable SSD from this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.